There are many Excel and PowerPoint program training out there actually. However, most of this training, we notice they actually teach you Excel and PowerPoint function. They teach you the individual Excel and PowerPoint function, and that's it. In terms of how to apply, what can you use it for, how to solve the business problem, it's really up to you. That's why there's a gap, and many people find that after attending all these training classes, when they go back, yeah, they find that they learn a lot, but they don't seem to be able to use it to solve their work problem. Yeah? That's why we approach it differently. Our program, we do not call it the IT program. We call it an AT program. A stands for applied. What does it mean? We call it applied technology. Means we focus a lot more on application of the technology in solving your problem. Yeah? So in terms of Excel and PowerPoint, we basically divide them into three big groups. The first group is really those training topics related to productivity and efficiency. Means how can we use Excel and PowerPoint to really speed up your work, your productivity and efficiency. Yeah? You learn a lot of function, but more importantly, not only you learn function, but you also learn how do you creatively combine the function so that it can really address some of those peculiar situations that you may face during your work. That's in terms of productivity and efficiency. We have two more categories that's really advanced. The second one is called data and financial modeling. At this level, it is no longer about efficiency, but more importantly, it's like how can I use Excel to go to a new height where it will help me to solve, it will help me to do what if analysis. Means that my bosses may be wanting to do a lot of like, what if I change the number to this? What if the number becomes this? What if this dropped by 10%, etc. So how do we go about building a model that allows quick changes, that allow your boss to go about clicking the button, and as they click the button, as they change the scenario, the output immediately change. The final result immediately change, where you can actually show him to say that, boss, based on the changes that you requested, this is the result. This is really important for a lot of business decision makers because they can speed up the whole process of making decisions. That's on the modeling. The third one is dashboard reporting. Now, again, most of the time, unless you're a finance or engineer, but otherwise a lot of non-finance engineer would not prefer to crunch a lot of number or read a lot of number. They find it very confusing. So how do we present useful information in a graphical manner for them to understand? Yeah? In dashboard reporting, you will not just do chart, but you will decide on what chart to put together so that it becomes a one-page visual. It is like a scorecard, a report card, where your management is able to just screen through the one-page visual, and from there on they can tell a lot of things about what is going on. And not only that, we wanted to make the dashboard in such a way that it allows you to click as well. So it means the management can click on the button, and as they click, it can change based on certain dimensions that is preset. Both modeling and also dashboard reporting are actually very advanced topic. It is more than just learning the function, it's really about application, solving the problem. And the trainer who conduct all these courses are all professionally qualified. In fact, all our trainers who train at Excel and PowerPoint are with accounting professional qualification. And we all have worked in the industry for many years. Means what? Means we have crunched through the number, we have gone through the torturing and suffering in trying to come up with meeting certain requests from the management, etc. Yeah. So we were able to incorporate many of our own experience and previous challenges into the training so that participants can really understand and be creative in tweaking the Excel function to meet those challenges that they meet. In terms of our approach, generally a lot of hands-on in Excel and PowerPoint training. You have to come prepared to keep working throughout the session because learning is one thing, doing is another. And we have challenges that we set at the end of every module where it really tests you, push you to a very real-life business scenario on solving certain things that is required using Excel and PowerPoint. And of course, we offer you a lot of tips and tricks. How do we go about be creative in solving certain things without torturing yourself, etc. Yeah? And the whole environment is in such a way that you will feel very safe and a lot of fun. Yes, it's a lot of work, but very fun. That you will find that you will want to keep trying to overcome the challenges that you are facing. Yeah? In terms of program, we also both offer public program as well as in-house program. In-house program means when you have enough people, we can always run an in-house for you where you can even customize to your need. That's one. For public program, or for some of you who do not have many staff or enough people to start an in-house, public program would be a good choice. We have designed our public program in a series of training where you can follow through and you can attend when you are free. Now that will be easier for you as well. Some of you may say, but Brian, I looked through your course, there's so many of them, I don't know what is suitable for me. That's why what we have done also to help you, we have come up with 2 diagnostic tools. The first one is really like saying that what topic suits me or what kind of content I need. That's why we have something called Excel Need Analysis. Yeah? What you need to do, go to our website, register as a member for free, then you can sit for the test, where there will be a series of questions. The test will be sent to us where we review, and after that we'll